I'm including 4 eggs for now. Now let's this for a few minutes so that it uniformly distributes. Now add 1 cup of oil. And again mix it gently. Now add the half tablespoon of vanilla essence. You can choose the flavor as per your wish. Now add the sugar in the previous mixture what we prepared. This is the normal sugar. I just grind it in the mixture. Now you can add protein powder as per your wish. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon only for now. 1 tablespoon of baking powder and pinch of salt. Now our batter is ready. We can start adding maida. And make sure you spin only in one direction. As it's too thick, so I'm adding some Amul milk. You can put a slice in between so that paper sticks perfectly and it does. Meanwhile, you can preheat the oven. In Samsung microwave, we already have the fast preheat option. So after preheating for few minutes at 220 degree, I have selected the option for cake and confectionery. So let's wait for a few minutes. Maybe it takes around 30 minutes plus. Finally, your cake is ready. So now I have mixed the butter and I'll add the icing sugar. If you wish, you can add some food color to add some flavor to it. Meanwhile, I have removed the top hard crust of the cake